Create a comedian account. This video will show you how to create a comedian account on Plauzzable. Start by going to plauzzable.com. On the homepage, click Sign Up or Join Now. When asked to choose your account type, choose Comedian if you want to perform, access creator tools, register and watch online events, and follow other comedians. Select I'm a Comedian. Enter your email address, your first name, your last name, then click Continue. Now create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters and include 1 symbol, 1 number, and 1 uppercase letter. Enter your password again to confirm. Then click Save. Your comedian account is now created. Now you are on your dashboard, and your next step is to complete your comedian profile.